so many different items come in. They've all seemed like they're arriving at like the exact same time. I feel like I haven't really been buying as much lately. Oh, I have so many items. And I told you guys last time when I asked you to subscribe that I would open up this Supreme jacket, so I definitely will do that. But I have all these other items I have to get to. I have some Travis Scott action figures. Oh wait, this is the Jordan. But anyways, one of these boxes is the Travis Scott action figures, and I definitely have to get into those as well. We'll do that in a new video, so make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll keep pushing out more and more content. Today I pulled a 14-hour workday. You're wondering how I can pay for all this stuff. I mean, I am working my butt off like crazy, delivering mail for United States Postal Service. And then this weekend was a holiday, so me and Abby went to Glacier National Park to see all the fall colors. And yeah, so it didn't leave me any time at all to do any filming or catch up with you guys. So I'm doing that now. And our trip, I did take a bunch of cool videos, and I definitely want to share some of that with you. So in the next one, I'm hoping to be able to do that. But yeah, 2 box logo stickers with that vote. Scan that with your phone, you can vote. Supreme's been doing that on all their stickers the past couple weeks or whatnot. But voting, I mean, I already got my ballot in the mail, so pretty much already filled it out. Slowly making sure I make the right choices. But anyways, this Supreme item arrived. My Globe MA-1 jacket. It seemed like the week that these released, they were gonna sell out really fast, and they did, but I was able to snag one up, and I didn't get a card decline or anything like that. I mean, this last week I was going after the long sleeve box logo, totally had it in my cart, totally paid for it and everything, but then, you know, it does the please wait while your order's being processed, like the loading thing, and then it went to your card was declined. But come on, I use the same exact card all the time. It was really sad, but anyways, enough about that. Here's the sticker on this plastic. There it is. I did grab this in a size large because I'm 6'1". I have a huge wingspan. Sometimes mediums are good enough for me. A lot of times Supreme jackets, a medium is totally fine, but other times, you know, it can be a little bit off. But this jacket is a shorter design, so to get a long enough fit, I did go ahead and size up on that. They do have a piece of tissue paper in there. I'm sure it was in between the layers somewhere. But yeah, this jacket, when I first saw them post their lookbook for the 2020 lineup, this is the one item that I was saying I have to get this, and here it is. So much embroidery all over it, super intense, and yeah, it kind of goes off of Las Vegas, off of just lust, just the human race just wanting neon and just wanting to chase everything that makes them feel good. And then down here you have some destruction, fire and wind coming through. Well, I think that's actually a comet. Yeah, I think this is actually supposed to be like a comet hurling towards the earth. Like all of this is a comet that's destroying the earth, all of this hype that we're chasing. But yeah, also my wife Abby, she's working super hard. She's super awesome. I love her so much. But anyways, this jacket is reversible. We do have a pocket on the side here. This pocket on the left sleeve, which is, I mean, pretty long sleeves, long enough for me, thankfully. You definitely might want to size up for this jacket unless you want it to fit a little bit tighter, but I wanted a little bit of a more loose fit, so I did go with a size large. And oh, here we go. Oh, nice, look at this. In here we have this gel item, but then we also have this Supreme pin inside the jacket. Come on, there it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. If you buy this jacket and they don't give you this little pin with it, you are getting ripped off major. But yeah, these pockets are pretty nice. They're insulated a little bit. And oh yeah, Abby's up there making smoothies. Actually, she's probably food processing something for a vegan dish because we totally eat vegan all the time. That's basically all I've been eating lately is just vegan. But anyways, yeah, in this little side pocket here, there's like 2 bullets in here. Maybe it'll come out. Okay, here we go. There we go. Yeah. Little bullets. They're empty. They're just like a shell or like the shape of a bullet, I guess. Just a plastic thing. I'm just going to leave those because they probably won't ever come out of there. Probably stay in just fine. But yeah, and then you got that amazing graphic that I'm not going to zoom in too much on there for you. You guys can look that up if you want to. Pretty exciting though. It's got like just lust. Just lust. Human lust. And here we go. We got it orange now. Do you guys like it orange better? Honestly, I would probably never, ever wear this orange. Honestly, if I'm just being real. just because I don't really have anything orange to match it with. But, you know, if I'm out hunting and I want to make sure people see me, and, well, actually, I don't hunt. I never hunt. I just can't do it. I tried, like, thinking about shooting an animal, I just couldn't do it. So maybe it's a good thing that my wife is vegan and slowly turning me towards that direction. But yeah, this orange is totally a hunter orange. A lot of the MA-1 jackets I've looked at online from other brands, they do have an orange lining, so I think that's just a normal thing that comes with this style of jacket. But yeah, it just has the puffy sleeves, just a nice bomber feel. The zippers are non-branded, just a double zip, non-branded, yeah, not even YKK or anything. But it does seem fairly sturdy. I mean, nothing too spectacular, but it is metal, so that kind of gives you a little bit more strength than other materials, I guess, like plastic. It does look like about a 12 or 10 or 11 or a 12 size zipper. I mean, you guys maybe don't think about the size of zippers as much as I do, but I don't know. I've kind of thought about it a lot. But anyways, it is getting colder, so it'll be nice to have this cool jacket. I do want to share some positivity with you guys. I don't have my phone on me right now, but basically died already today. But I was listening to a bunch of different podcasts today, and I heard a really cool quote or just a phrase, and I've heard it before. I've heard other people say it, and I just forgot it, and this person didn't claim that they had made it up. But basically it goes, stop shoulding yourself. Shoulding yourself. Stop saying, I should have done that, or I should have done this, when you can't change the past. There's nothing you can do about the past. I mean, there's a million things I should have done that I could come up with if I really wanted to make myself more whatever that I think that the different choice would have made me. I mean, honestly, whenever you get into a situation where you're shoulding yourself, so funny to say. When you're saying I should have, or thinking I should have, that is just mentally destroying yourself. You're sabotaging your own brain by doing all this shoulda. Really, you need to just live in the moment. What can you do in the future to make it better? Earlier today, I was driving home from work after working 14 hours, and I was just in my lane, right? And this other car, like a little bit ahead of me, tries to cut into my lane. I'm basically in their blind spot, I guess. It's dark outside. And yeah, I just like basically whizzed around them real quick. And then we come up to a stoplight, and one guy like starts coming out of his car towards my truck, and I'm like, oh no, what's gonna happen here? Thankfully the light turned green like right as he's at my bumper. I don't know if he grabbed the back of my truck or what. I mean, he probably shouldn't have gotten out of his car. It's not legal to do that when you're just at a stoplight and there's several lanes of traffic. But anyways, I was saved by the green light. I just took off. I totally sped all the way home to try and make sure he couldn't follow me. Because it's a little bit weird, but I mean, I can't give him too much grief because honestly, he's just here as a military person. He has out-of-state plates, and we have a huge military community here, so I knew that they were from the military. It was a couple of dudes in a car, and so anyways, there's a lot of things I could have done differently there, or maybe I should have not sped up and gone around him and just like hit the brakes and let him in or something. I mean, you could shoulda all you want, but it doesn't change it. So what you can do is just take the moment, this moment on, you can make different choices, or you can make the next moment count. So that's what I'm all about. I say that a lot in my videos, but yeah, when I heard that, stop shooting yourself, I was just like, oh man, that's so good. So I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys, and I love you so much. And yeah, the next video, hopefully it won't be as rushed as this one, because I mean, I gotta go to work tomorrow morning super bright and early because there's a lot of mail. So anyways, I love you all, and I'm thankful for each and every one of you. Definitely hit me up if you need to. Hit me up in the comments, ask any questions. If you want to bash me a little bit, go ahead and try, see if YouTube doesn't delete it. It's crazy. I allow all comments, but YouTube does, it seems like YouTube is trying to create a safe space or something, so if you're too hateful, they'll just remove it themselves. I don't know. I'll definitely chat it up if I have a few moments to spare, so yeah, peace.